Good day everyone, and in today's video Samsung Galaxy S21 versus Pixel 8 side-by-side comparison photo and video. We're in a video department, 4K 30, a little bit of colors for you, wide angle lens, 0.5 in both of them, how wide it is, wide, I think Samsung is wider. Well, walking around, video stabilization, vlogging style. If you're in a vlog from this camera, this is how it's going to look like from wide angle. All right. Do we have autofocus and wide angle lens? Pixel, yes. Samsung, no. So you see the difference, yeah? How sharp it is on the Pixel and how blurry it is on the Samsung. Maybe like this would be much better. You see? You see the show of details on the Pixel. That's right. That's right. All right. Switching to the main lens. Autofocus, much greater bokeh effect on the Pixel. But which one is better? Let me know in a comment below. All right. Spinning around, vlogging style, and telephoto. But what do we do with telephoto? Maybe on the building. Telephoto experience. On the building. There you go. We can do 7 on the Pixel and 7 on the Samsung. You see, there's 7. See, the difference is huge. On the Pixel, the telephoto is basically useless. You can go even 12 if you wanted to. Oh yeah. Front-facing camera, full length of my arm. Did you notice how crisp the image is on the Samsung? And I don't know, there's something with that image on the Pixel. Is it overexposing? Not really. They're both really good, but Samsung definitely have more details and sharper image. It feels like the Pixel has very low quality. Even though it's 4K 60, it's like, I don't know. Maybe it's upscaling that footage. It looks that way. Probably that's what is happening. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? With Samsung, yes. With Pixel, no. Why do you need autofocus in front-facing camera? For example, if I wanted to show you something, like that smartphone. Look at the share of details on the Samsung. And very blurry on the Pixel. That's why you need autofocus. Okay, so that's a video. What about photo?